Welcome to an in-depth tutorial on TokenSets, the innovative platform that helps you automate your crypto asset management. TokenSets provides tools for investors to access pre-built and customizable strategies for optimizing their cryptocurrency portfolios. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced investor, this platform is tailored to help you manage your digital assets efficiently and confidently. We begin by visiting the TokenSets website, where you're greeted with an intuitive interface. TokenSets offers two primary options: creating your custom investment strategy or leveraging pre-existing strategies crafted by professionals and the crypto community. These strategies include index funds, yield farming, and algorithmic trading. With decentralized management, you retain full control over your assets while automating processes like portfolio rebalancing and performance tracking. To connect your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect, which enables secure interactions with the platform. After connecting, explore the wide range of available sets. Each set represents a unique strategy, with detailed descriptions outlining its focus, performance metrics, and token allocation. Selecting a set is straightforward. Simply click, review the terms, and invest with a single transaction. Fees and strategy details are transparent, so you know exactly what you're getting into. If you prefer customization, the Create a Set feature allows you to define parameters like rebalancing rules, target allocations, and risk levels. This is perfect for those with specific investment goals or unique strategies in mind. Once created, your set automatically executes based on your configurations, saving you time and effort. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Monitoring your investment on TokenSets is seamless. The dashboard provides real-time updates on performance, allocation, and historical data. It's easy to adjust or withdraw your investments at any time, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. TokenSets bridges the gap between convenience and control in the world of crypto investing, enabling users to take advantage of market opportunities with minimal manual intervention. Don't forget to sign up using the link in the description to claim your bonus. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more informative crypto tutorials.